What's going on, guys? I'm Trey and this is the Common Advisor, and in this video I'll be showing you exactly how to make money online starting today with little to no money in your pocket. And it's super easy. You can do it even if you're broke, if you have a lot of money, if you're just trying to increase your income today. This is the video that you want to watch all the way through. Make sure you get all the tips. And if you would, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel because it helps the channel grow. It lets me know what you all like, give me feedback on exactly how you feel about this video, and if you need some help and tips, let me know in the comments. I always reply to my subscribers. Thanks so much for returning. Let's get straight into it. So as you see on this screen, I have a program or a website called AliExpress pulled up, right? So AliExpress is pretty much the Amazon for China. That's how it was explained to me. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use this to your advantage, and you can start making money starting today, tomorrow. It's super easy to do. I've done it. I know many people that have done it. I have a great friend that he did it, and he's making over six figures in like 6 months, man. He's doing very well. I used to do this a long time ago, but I've moved on to other aspects. But I think this is great for beginners to do. So I'm gonna get straight into it and show you how to use it. So AliExpress, like I said, it's like the China's Amazon. So you can find very cheap products on here, and then you can sell them on an e-commerce store like Shopify, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And you can hike these prices up to where you want them to be, and then you can actually sell them. So let me give you a run through about AliExpress before I actually go to the Shopify store. So AliExpress, let's say you want to do baby toys. I got baby toys pulled up right now. All right. So let's look at first you want to do free shipping. The reason you want to do free shipping is because when you do this stuff is you're gonna have to front. You're gonna have to pay for it up front. Now don't let that scare you away, because look at the prices on it. It's like $1.47, right? So you're paying $1.47 for this product, but you're gonna be selling this product for $10, $15, something like that. All right. So what I want to do is go by orders. So let me get orders clicked up. There we go. Hope everybody's doing well today. It was a great day for me. I got a lot done. I'm trying to put some money in some people's pockets. It's a great way to do this. So yeah. So anyway, all right, so you see, like I said, man, this is $1.56 to buy, right? So when you get it shipped and all that, it's gonna be like $2.23. So let's say that's what you want to do. All right, so what you would do, you would go over to Shopify and make a Shopify store. Now, in order to get a Shopify store, you can start a Shopify store for free, and it's a 30-day free trial. I would put a link in it below, but actually I want to just make this video as much value as I can. I'm not trying to make an affiliate money off of this. So all you have to do is just go to shopify.com and you will start making your store, and your store will be like this. Now this is a store that I have, one of my stores that I have that I sell products from, and I get my products from AliExpress. So I'm just putting it out there. I don't really do this anymore, so it's not going to hurt me any. And then people still buy, you know what I'm saying? It's like some people are not going to see this video. You like, man, people going to see your video. They're going to know where you go. Yeah, you say that, but you will be surprised. Like, people actually find this buy from here because people don't want to do their research. So you need to market off of that and make your money. So as you see, I made this coupon. It shows you how to make this. I can collect emails, make an email list. I can do all that. So let's click off of that. And look at this. A site. I made this site, right? Let me get off of that. I made this site. I made it with Shopify. As you can see, I got some baby stuff in there. I got some jewelry, beauty products, future products, all that good stuff, right? And I think this, like, let me show you. Let me show you one. Like, Roblox was real popular at the time when I put that up there, and I got it for $15.98 on this site. So in reality, I probably paid, if I had to ship this out, I would have to pay like $3 for that. So that'd be like a $12 profit, right? So I make $12 off of that. That's how it's just that easy, guys. Affiliate marketing and e-commerce drop shipping is super easy to do. If you want a video on that, let me know in the comments. It's super easy to do. It's easy to set up. I can make a whole video series on how to set it up. And another thing that I do is Amazon affiliates, and I talk about this one a lot. Now, of course, with Shopify, you do have to pay a little bit of money on that on the front end, but you get a big return on the back end. But with Amazon, it's completely free. That's right, it's completely free. You don't have to put any money down. All you have to do is sign up for Amazon affiliates or Amazon associates, whatever it is, wherever you stay. Is different for different countries. I think in the US it's Amazon Associates, to be honest. So what you would do is go on Amazon, right? Find a product, and I just did a video about how to get 100 subscribers fast on your YouTube, and I was talking about the different kind of products that you need as far as getting started with the YouTube, and I made some links to affiliate pages. So this is one of the pages that I made a link to. So this is the backdrop, and that is $36, right? So all I do when you get the Amazon Associates on your computer and you're using the Chrome browser, it'll download an extension for you. So all I have to do is go onto this page, what I'm trying to promote, right? I click this button text. It'll give me a link. That link right there, I put that in the bottom of my description of my video. I can put that in an Instagram post. I can put that in a Facebook post, about this product. And when they click on this link and they buy from this store or buy their product, you get a commission. You get a percentage of that. It's just that easy. You can start making money tomorrow. And then here's the good thing about Amazon Associates that I really love is if they don't buy this, let's say they don't buy this product, just because they clicked on your link and went to Amazon for the next 24 to 48 hours, anything they buy on Amazon, you will get a commission for. And it's not like a bulk commission, it's like a commission for each and every single item. So the higher the item, the higher your commission. It's just that simple, guys. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. Like the money for this is super easy. This is free money, free chicken, free game. I think everybody should try this. Like I said, if you're not good at videos, that's okay. Like I said, go to Facebook. Go to Facebook and say, hey, I just bought this, or start a review page, start a fan page about something, and start putting affiliate links in there. Put affiliate links in your statuses. People will click on those things just to see what it is, and once they do that, you have it in their computers embedded. If they went to Amazon, people shop on Amazon every single day, all day. A lot of people just buy all their products from Amazon and get the dish detergent, laundry stuff, food, clothes, everything from Amazon. So you might as well get a commission off of that, and it's free to you, doesn't cost you any money. So use these tips to start making money. Let me know if they help you in the link below. Let me know what's going on. If you need some help with setting up that store, learning about Shopify, learning about affiliate marketing, look at some of my videos, or you can just comment below with your questions, and I answer super fast. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, hit the notification bell so you know when more videos like this are coming up. I hope you have a prosperous 2019 year, and I'll see you later.